Welcome, Instagram enthusiasts, to our channel. If you're looking to supercharge your sales game on the gram, you are in the right place. Today, we've got a powerhouse of tips and strategies to help you conquer Instagram selling. Whether you're a small business owner, an aspiring influencer, or just looking to make some extra cash, stick around because we've got the keys to unlock Instagram sales success. I'm Dazonnt Technologies, and this is 10 Instagram selling tips and strategies, selling on Instagram. Segment 1. Understanding your audience. First things first, let's talk about understanding your audience. Dive into your Instagram analytics to uncover valuable insights. Know your followers' demographics, interests, and when they're most active. This data is gold and will guide your content strategy for maximum impact. Segment 2. Killer content creation. Now that you know your audience, it's time to create killer content. Invest in high-quality visuals, craft compelling captions, and use Instagram's features like Stories, Reels, and IGTV to showcase your products or services. Remember, engaging content is the key to stopping the scroll. Segment 3. Hashtag magic. No Instagram strategy is complete without mastering the art of hashtags. Research and use relevant hashtags to expand your reach. Create a branded hashtag to build a community around your brand. Hashtags are the bridge between your content and potential customers. Use them wisely. Segment 4. Embrace e-commerce features. Instagram is not just a photo sharing app, it's a powerful e-commerce platform. Make the most of Instagram shopping features. Set up your shop, tag products in your posts, and let your audience shop seamlessly without leaving the app. It's convenience at their fingertips. Segment 5. Engage with your audience. Engagement is key to building a loyal customer base. Respond promptly to comments and direct messages. Host Q&A sessions, polls, and giveaways to keep your audience engaged. The more connected they feel, the more likely they are to become customers and advocates for your brand. Segment 6. Collaborate and cross-promote. Don't go it alone. Collaborate with other Instagrammers and businesses in your niche. Cross-promotion exposes your brand to new audiences, fostering growth and trust. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Segment 7. Instagram Ads Mastery. When you're ready to take it up a notch, master Instagram Ads. The platform offers powerful targeting options to reach your ideal customers. Invest wisely, monitor performance, and tweak your ads for optimal results. Segment 8. Storytelling sells. People love stories. Use your Instagram to tell the story of your brand. Share behind-the-scenes moments, customer testimonials, and the journey that led you to where you are. Authenticity sells, and storytelling is a compelling way to connect with your audience. Segment 9. Track and analyze. Success leaves clues, and on Instagram, those clues are in the data. Regularly track and analyze your performance using Instagram Insights. Identify what works, what doesn't, and adjust your strategy accordingly. It's a constant cycle of improvement. Segment 10. Call to action. There you have it. Instagram sellers' 10 game-changing tips and strategies to elevate your Instagram sales. But this is just the beginning. The real magic happens when you take action. Start implementing these strategies today, and watch your Instagram game soar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Share this with your fellow Instagram enthusiasts, and let's create a community of successful Instagram sellers. Connect us via social media. Contact us via call or website. Thanks for watching. I'm Dazonnt Technologies, signing off, until next time.